Enjoy an indulgent shower with the Scudo S8 brushed brass Wetroom 760mm panel. Its attractive brushed brass profile, an attribute of its sleek and perfect design, complements any bathroom. You get a sense of space with its 2000mm height and 8mm thick, strengthened safety glass. Whether you want a tiled Wetroom floor or shower tray, this Scudo S8 brushed brass shower screen can easily be installed to meet your needs. For extra stability and peace of mind, a 1-meter support arm is also included. Are you searching for a customized shower enclosure? For increased functionality, the Scudo S8 can be fitted with a side panel, footbar panel, or both for a sleek design. The Scudo S8 brushed brass Wetroom would improve your showering experience with its combination of style and practicality. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Shower Enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.